Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download MetaMask wallet application on a mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you've not yet, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download MetaMask wallet app on your mobile device, it's pretty simple. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and make sure that you are connected first. And tap open your App Store or your Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in MetaMask and press search. You'll be able to find the application displayed at the very top. Tap on the download button right next to your MetaMask application and you'll be able to begin the downloading process. MetaMask is a software cryptocurrency wallet which is used to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. It allows users to access their Ethereum wallet through a browser extension or the mobile application. Wait until the application gets downloaded on your mobile device, which is a quick process depending upon your internet speed. Once the application is downloaded, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right next to the app. Give it a tap and that way you should be able to download MetaMask wallet application on your mobile device. Go ahead and click on Get Started and follow the on-screen prompts in order to create a new account on MetaMask. That is how you can easily download MetaMask app on your mobile device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.